Hey there, crypto fans, and welcome to Altcoin Radar. This is a place where beginners like you and I can do some research and learn all about the many different cryptocurrencies and altcoins together. So guys, today we're going to learn all about Algorand and the project behind the name. So let's take a look at what Algorand is all about. So if you guys are like me, then you have no idea what Algorand is or what it does or anything. You might know a little bit about the price and what the price has been like in the past, but you have no idea what the project is all about, what it even does. So that's what we're going to try to figure out today. Alright, so currently the coin is currently trading for 64 cents at the time of filming this, and it is down almost 1%. As we can tell from, I don't know where the chart is for this coin, but oh well. Alright, so let's see what CoinMarketCap has to say about this. Alright, so Algorand is a scalable, secure, and decentralized digital currency and transactions platform, founded by Turing Award winner and MIT professor Silvio Micali. Algorand is a permissionless peer proof-of-stake blockchain protocol. Unlike first-generation consensus mechanisms, Algorand's technology finalizes blocks in seconds and provides immediate transaction finality while preventing forks. Algorand does also not reward validators with newly minted tokens, with a primary focus on developers and their needs. Algorand's node repository has been open-sourced and is publicly available. Algorand provides a robust set of developer tools, dApp analytics, through a partnership with Flipside Crypto, and has a number of partners building on their blockchain, including Otoy, SyncSort, Top Networks, Asset Block, and more. So, how does, do I want to read this? How does Algorand work? All right, we'll read this. The Algorand blockchain network has its own official native cryptocurrency called the Algo. To drive the borderless economy and the system of incentives, the foundation holds algos to contribute to the stability of the Algorand blockchain. To incentivize network participation and to support the Algorand community, ecosystem building, and research, the algos enter the ecosystem via various channels, including development and research grants, participation rewards, and sales. All such activities are disclosed with full transparency to the Algorand community. Algorand technology. Algorand uses a pure proof of stake, where validators are not rewarded, nor are they at risk of being slashed. It becomes impossible for the minority to cheat and irrational for the majority to cheat the system, as it would devalue their holdings. There is also no locking of tokens, so a user has their tokens available at all the time. Blocks are created in two phases, where a single token is selected randomly and its owner proposes the next block. Subsequently, 1,000 random tokens are selected with their owners, then approving the block proposed by the first user. Alright. Now, for somebody like me who is not technologically inclined, I have to say this project is very, very confusing for someone like me. But, for the sake of this video, we got to figure out, we're going to try our best to figure out what Algorand is all about. So, anyway, let's keep reading. These phases are ensured by the core protocol called binary agreement. Okay, I don't think any of this isn't going to tell us exactly what it is. And that's kind of what I want to know. I want to know what it is. For 2021, the Algorand blockchain will leverage an innovative pipelining approach to achieve a step function improvement in the scale, capacity, and the speed of the Algorand blockchain. In 2021, performance levels will be 46,000 transactions per second. Okay, cool. So the one thing I'm noticing is, again, I've said in a lot of my other videos, a lot of these projects, they don't, I know this is CoinMarketCap that wrote this. This isn't Algorand that wrote this. But they don't do a very good job of explaining what what the coin or project is about to people who have no idea what this stuff even is, if that makes sense. They basically talk like they're only talking to technologically advanced people. And the thing is you can't make a product or a project go mainstream without being able to market it to the broader public, to everyone, rather than just a certain group of someone. So it just doesn't make sense. That would be like Apple trying to promote their iPhone only to people who play basketball, or only to people who play baseball, for instance, rather than the whole general public. So that's kind of like the feeling I get when I read about these different projects. It's like they only care about having it make sense to like a certain group of people rather than to the broader population. But we're gonna go to their websites and we're gonna try and see what we can pick from their website and see what we can figure out. So this is their main website that I found, Algorand.foundation. So, I don't even know where to start. Building the borderless economy. The Algorand Foundation is dedicated to fulfilling the global promise of blockchain technology by leveraging the Algorand protocol and open source software, which was initially designed by Sylvie McCallie and a team of leading scientists with core beliefs in the establishment of an open, public, and permissionless blockchain. The Algorand Foundation has a vision for an inclusive ecosystem that provides an opportunity for everyone to harness the potential of an equitable and truly borderless economy. All right, it's the same thing we read on the other page. And again, none of this is anything that somebody who's not technologically inclined would understand. Only people who are really big into like techie stuff are gonna know what any of this means. So far I'm finding that Algorand they're not doing a very good job of like marketing. Nonetheless, all right. Algorand has one. Oh, and again, the other thing I'm noticing is they're not really saying exactly what they do or what they are or what the project is. I don't know. It's annoying. It really honestly is. It really is annoying because like I really want to understand this. I really want to know what this stuff is and what it does and what it's for. But some of these companies or some of these projects, they just do a terrible job of explaining. So, all right, let's just keep reading. Enough of my rant. Algorand protocol, Algorand standard assets. Algorand standard assets are standard blockchain assets with customizable options directly in layer 1, secure Algorand atomic transfers, secure transfers, and immediate transaction settlement for multi-party transactions built in layer 1. All right, enough of this layer 1 stuff. All right. So I think a lot of the reason on why I'm not really understanding this stuff is because I think this is another one of those projects where it's built for developers. It's built for people who... It's built for programmers. It's built for people who just sit in front of a computer and just code all day. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's not for an end user like you and I who are going to actually use it for something. It's for developers, I think, to build something. It's an open source implementation of Algorand. I keep wanting to say algorithm instead of Algorand. Developers. The open source implementation of Algorand makes it simple and fast for developers to build on blockchain. Okay. Network. The Algorand network is a public and permissionless system where everyone, no matter where they are, has the opportunity to participate and build. Okay. See, that's not enough right there. First of all, you know what I'm noticing here? They don't even bother to put a period here. That's how, like, I'm sorry if you're really into this coin and you really like this coin, I'm sorry to nitpick, but when you don't even have the time to take the time to put a period in your sentence on your website, which is like a huge, this is like the face of your business, the face of your company. Why are you not putting a period where it needs to be? I don't know. That's just terrible to me. It's careless. So, and they're saying that it's a permissionless system where everyone everyone. Well, here's my question. If it's for everyone, then why aren't you marketing it to everyone? You sound like you're only marketing it to people who understand big techie type words. You're not explaining it in a way that everyone is going to understand. That's the problem here. All right, so that's pretty much it for their website, or this website anyway. So let's see if they got anything cool on their other website. I think this other website, Algorand.com, is for oh, here we go, use cases. Let's see what their well, what do you know? Use cases, DNS address could not be found, diagnosing the problem. Well, that sucks. I was really looking forward to finally seeing what the use cases were. Yeah, apparently it's down, you know. I don't know what it is. Every other page, as you can see, every other page on their website is working for me, except for that last page. So they've got some work to do on their website, because clearly it's not finished. I mean, look at, they've got broken images for their executive team on their entire team page. I know it's not just me or my internet. As you can tell, my internet's working fine. So I don't know. I wish companies like this or projects like this would do a better job of having their stuff run and operate, you know, like it should. But all right, guys. Yep, here we go again. Yep. All right, we're not even going to try to work on it anymore. We've pretty much came to the conclusion, or I've came to the conclusion that Algorand is not something I would want to mess with. I mean, yeah, whether the coin goes up or down or not, that's completely different in comparison to, you know, what the project itself is all about. Again, my videos are about the projects, not the price of the coin, or not the, you know, not where the price of the coin is headed or anything like that. So, all right, guys. Now that we've got a, you know, baseline idea of what Algorand is all about, you know, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you can join me in learning all about the different cryptocurrencies and altcoins together in my future videos with me. And with that said, you guys, thanks for watching and learning with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.